Alright.
So keep it on him.
Yeah, well me. So guys, we are surprising March Unsung Hero for Live Well Jamaica, and I'm taking you on the journey just like last month, alright? He is on his way. He's not here yet. As I tell you, we identify Jamaicans who are giving back to their community without expecting compensation, and they have no clue that they're getting the award. So it's really it's a surprise. That's a surprise, and it's a bit nerve-wracking. He's coming? Not yet?
Yes.
He's coming now. Alright, so watch what happens. So you can just yeah, capture. Representing Live Well Jamaica. So you liked our page this morning. Why did you like our page?
Well, Jordan had spoken to me about it the other day. I was going back to my photos and she sent me the message. So I decided to look at it.
Really? Yeah. So when you look on Live Well Jamaica Facebook page, what did you see?
I thought it was good. I didn't really look through it. So I just liked it and rushed out.
Yeah. So I see that you're in a shirt that says participate in Jamaica movement. No problems, just solutions. You are a part of that organization?
Yes, the president and founder.
You're the president and founder?
Yeah.
Alright, so I was hoping that Jordan would be here today. I'm not so sure where he is right now, but I'm still going to go ahead. I am awarding you as the Live Well Jamaica's Unsung Hero for this month, March 2018.
Thank you
All
very
right?
much. Wow.
This is yours.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jordan actually nominated you for this award.
So the Florida Trouble
so the Florida thing was just bait. Stop. So the Florida thing was just bait.
Yeah.
Just to get you here for the award.
I mean, this is excellent.
So right now we're actually live on Jamaicans.com. We have a few comments. You can what are the comments saying?
It says hi.
Okay, so some people telling you hi. We have somebody from Toronto, Canada saying hi. And while we fix our camera, you can tell Jamaicans.com why you decided to start participate in Jamaica movement. You can talk to me.
Alright, so the movement was started because I saw the need for it. I saw that Jamaicans were at a disadvantage when it came on to community development in regards to both the physical aspect and the mental aspect. The physical aspect being the community development itself, meaning community gardens, beautification projects, and so forth. The mental aspect deals with empowerment of the youth to become critical paradigm shifters and ultimately change the world if they can. So that's really how the Participate in Jamaica movement came about.
Alright, so people are telling you congrats.
Thank you very much.
People from Portland, Oregon, from the UK, they're just saying hello. So you can tell them hi.
Nice to see you.
So this is a complete surprise for you, right?
Yeah, absolutely. When she said the Florida chapter, I was thinking.
What did she tell you? What did she?
Akira?
Akira. Yeah, what did Akira say to you?
Well, she said to me, let's go back around there. The chapter, the Florida team isn't ready for yet. So I was thinking to myself, because in high school, we worked with a few chapters, the New York chapter and the Florida chapter.
Okay.
So I thought that they were using local.
Participate in Jamaica participated?
No, in high school.
In high school, you were part of?
The head body.
Okay.
So we had different activities with them.
Yes.
So I didn't see anything suspicious.
Yeah, no, you didn't suspect anything suspicious
and then
at all.
Jordan said to me, take somebody with you, but because she said that it was a meeting with the Florida Choppers, I didn't know exactly what to expect.
Yes.
So I didn't want to bring anybody and then not be adequately prepared.
Yes.
So I said, you know what, I'm just going to wink alone this time.
Alright. So you're here alone because Jordan is not here, still waiting on her. Yeah. By the way, we're mentioning Jordan because Jordan nominated Daniel Heaven for the award. So we were hoping that she'd be here, but I'm confident that she should be here before we're finished. So Jamaicans.com, of course, when we put the full video together, full video package on livewellja.com, you can check it out. But until then, this is just another sneak peek of Live Well Jamaica's Unsung Hero Award presentation. Alright, Daniel, where can they find you on social media? Participate in Jamaica.
We're on the name, as it says, Participate in Jamaica Movement. We're on Facebook and Instagram. For now, but we plan to expand this shortly. But for now, it's Facebook and Instagram.
Alright, thank you. We can end it.